Tired of jumping between banking apps to see your full financial picture? It's a hassle, we all know. You've got your main account here, savings there, maybe an old one lingering somewhere else. What if there was a way to pull it all together? The question we get asked a lot is simple: can I connect my other bank accounts to Lunar? The short answer is yes, absolutely. Lunar is designed for the modern world, and that means giving you a complete overview. Think of the Lunar app as your financial command center. Thanks to open banking, you don't have to switch banks entirely to benefit from Lunar's smart features. You can actually link your deposit accounts from most major banks right into the Lunar app. It's all about creating a unified view. Once linked, you can see the balances and transactions from your external accounts alongside your Lunar accounts. This feature makes budgeting, tracking your spending, and just staying on top of your money so much easier. No more logging in and out of 3 different places just to check your total net worth. The linking process is simple and secure. You initiate it in the Lunar app, choose your other bank from the list, and then you will be securely redirected to log in with your other bank's authentication method, like MITID or Bank ID, to grant consent. Lunar only gets read-only access to the accounts you choose, so your data and money stay safe. And here's a pro tip: you can even use the linked accounts to make transfers. You can move money from your external account directly into your Lunar account without ever leaving the Lunar app. So, if you've been holding off on using Lunar because you didn't want to abandon your current bank, you don't have to. Link your accounts today and start enjoying the peace of mind that comes with having your entire financial life in one place. Do you have other questions about Lunar features? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips on making your money management smarter.